11 DIY home remedies for hair growth using tea tree oil. If you are looking for a magical potion that can treat all your hair and skin problems, get your hands on tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is extracted from the narrow leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia, a native to the northeast coast of New South Wales, Australia. The healing and soothing properties of this oil help treat many health and beauty problems. Tea tree oil is a great alternative and home remedy for hair growth compared to chemical-filled and artificial hair care products. It is a herb that reduces hair loss and promotes hair growth. It also prevents other hair problems such as dandruff, baldness, psoriasis, and even head lice. Is tea tree oil good for hair? There are tons of benefits of tea tree oil for hair. Some of them are listed below. Tea tree oil has many natural antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic, antiviral, and anti-infection properties which effectively deal with certain hair-related problems. Tea tree oil removes dead cells, unblocks hair follicles, and boosts the immune system, which is then able to fight against infections that lead to hair loss, thus preventing head lice and dandruff. The oil moisturizes hair and keeps the scalp free from fungal and bacterial infections, preventing dry and itchy scalp and blocked hair follicles. Tea tree oil effectively treats cradle cap in children. Using tea tree oil for hair loss really helps because it contains anti-androgenic effects which inhibit male hormones causing hair loss. Tea tree oil is recommended by many dermatologists and cosmetologists. How to use tea tree oil for hair growth. Apply tea tree oil in many ways for hair growth. Purchase 100% pure tea tree oil from holistic shops, vitamin stores, or beauty, hair supply stores. Tea tree oil shampoos, soaps, conditioners, and body washes can be found at any of these stores, as well. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo instead of buying tea tree shampoo. 1. Tea tree oil for hair growth. Simply massage the oil on the scalp regularly to prevent many scalp issues and to produce healthy, shiny, beautiful hair. This stimulates blood flow and reduces inflammation in the follicular cells that, in turn, enhance hair growth and reduce itchiness, dandruff, dryness, oiliness, and blackening hair. Apply a few drops of tea tree oil to scalp and gently massage for 5 to 7 minutes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with tea tree shampoo. Repeat regularly for best results. 2. Tea tree oil with carrier oil. This process is used for hair growth, hair loss, head lice, itchiness, dandruff, and dryness. Carrier oils include baby oil, olive oil, almond oil, vegetable oil, and jojoba oil. Tea tree oil mixed with a carrier oil clears dandruff and fights fungus. The combination moisturizes and nourishes hair, adding a protective layer resistant to toxins and promoting hair growth. Mix 10 drops of warm tea tree oil and 1 teaspoon of any carrier oil. Apply to the scalp and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Wrap head in a hot towel to open clogged pores. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with shampoo. Repeat regularly for best results. 3. Tea tree oil shampoo. This process is used for hair loss, oiliness, head lice, itchiness, dandruff, and dryness. There are many tea tree oil-based hair products like shampoos, conditioners, hair oils, and dandruff shampoos to choose from. Apply tea tree oil-based oil, shampoo, or conditioner to the scalp and gently massage for 5 to 7 minutes. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. Note: if treating for head lice, comb the hair with a fine tooth comb after washing to remove the live and eggs. If treating for hair loss, mix the tea tree oil with almond oil prior to shampooing the hair. 4. Tea tree oil spray. Tea tree oil contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that effectively treat head lice, dandruff, dryness, and itchiness, making hair healthy and beautiful. Fill an empty spray bottle with an ounce of tea tree oil and a few ounces of water. Lightly spritz your entire scalp. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover head with a warm towel for maximum oil absorption into hair. Wash your hair with tea tree oil shampoo. Repeat regularly for best results. 5. Tea tree oil spray and mask. Tea tree oil hair mask not only eliminates scalp problems like dandruff, dryness, and head lice, but also refreshes your scalp in the summer and restores health to your hair. The first stage in this process rids excess skin and cleanses the scalp. The second stage moisturizes hair with the hydrating agents in coconut oil and avocado. Fill an empty spray bottle with a few drops of tea tree oil and equal quantities of apple cider vinegar and water. Lightly spritz your entire scalp. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your hair with tea tree oil shampoo. Leave the shampoo on your hair for 3 to 5 minutes before you rinse it out. Mix a mashed avocado and 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. Apply to the entire scalp and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse with mild shampoo. Repeat as needed for best results. 6. Tea tree oil for wavy curls. Shampoo and condition your hair. While still wet, apply a few drops of tea tree oil to scalp before going to sleep. Braid hair into 2 parts on each side. Use more braids with shorter hair. Take braids out in the morning and finger comb hair. Repeat as desired. 7. Rosemary and tea tree oil for hair. These oils have antibacterial, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties which stimulate healthy hair growth and heal many scalp problems such as dryness and flakiness. Mix drops of tea tree oil, rosemary oil, and any carrier oil, jojoba or coconut oil. Apply to the scalp and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave for 2 to 3 hours and rinse with hot water. Repeat twice weekly for best results. 8. Tea tree oil and coconut oil. Both coconut oil and tea tree oil have antifungal and antibacterial properties that prevent scalp itchiness, dandruff, scalp folliculitis, scalp eczema, and scalp fungus. Mix 10 drops of tea tree oil and a tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil until melted. Apply to the itchy scalp and gently massage for 5 to 8 minutes. Leave for a minimum of 2 hours. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Repeat regularly for best results. 9. Tea tree oil and lavender oil. These oils have antibacterial properties that quickly heal itchy scalp, dandruff, and scalp psoriasis by conditioning and nourishing the hair and stimulating the deep layers of the skin. Shampoo your hair. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil and lavender oil. Apply to the scalp as a conditioner and gently massage for 4 to 7 minutes. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. 10. Tea tree oil mask for scalp problems. This process moistures hair with its abundance of healthy fats. Honey aids in hydration and also provides essential enzymes needed for hair growth. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Mix a cup of yogurt, a mashed avocado, 10 drops of argan oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a few drops of tea tree oil until the paste consistency is creamy. Apply to the scalp and gently massage for 6 to 8 minutes. Comb your hair to evenly distribute the oil in the scalp and hair. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat regularly for best results. 11. Tea tree oil mark for nourishment. Mix 2 tablespoons olive oil, milk, castor oil, 1 egg, and 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil. Apply to the scalp and cover with a plastic hair cap. Leave for 2 to 3 hours. Use a hair dryer to apply a low-medium heat to the scalp. Wash hair with shampoo and conditioner. Repeat regularly for best results. Tips: It's important to dilute tea tree oil with another oil prior to applying it on the hair as it can cause irritation, itchiness, and dryness when applied directly. Using tea tree oil-based gels, such as Paul Mitchell's Tea Tree Stylish Gel, will provide fullness and shine to hair with a medium to firm hold. Using tea tree oil for hair growth may not be effective for all hair types. Tea tree oil should not be swallowed nor used orally. Some may be allergic to tea tree oil, causing redness or irritation. Always apply a small quantity as a patch test. If nothing happens, use it in proper proportion for healthy hair. Always apply tea tree oil in the right way with the right quantity or proportions for proper hair growth. If used incorrectly, the oil may have the reverse effects, making hair extremely brittle and weak. Tea tree oil will not increase facial hair growth. Tea tree oil not only helps hair growth and other issues, but also treats many skin problems like relief from razor burns, acne reduction, and wart and ringworm removal. It can also help with respiratory problems, such as sore throat, cough, asthma, and bronchitis, and can strengthen the immune system.